And hello everyone, in this video we'll be creating a simple calculator in C# programming language. As you can see, I already deleted this hello world application logic right here. We'll just continue with working. As you can see, this is our main function right here. All the logic will be displayed right here. Okay, so we can start. We'll just create some variables which will be static because we are using like in the entire application. We will use double, that's 64-bit number, and let's name it num1. Semicolon, another one, static double num2, and static string op, which is meant to be an operator, because if you type here operator it won't let you have the name, so we will just use, instead of operator, just an op. Alright, and for the beginning let's make a simple welcome message. Alright, if we want to output any message, we'll just simply type in console dot write line, and let's specify a message: welcome to our calculator. Alright, and now for the beginning we want to prompt the user to specify a first number. Okay, we just need to make another output message: console.writeLine, and let's prompt the user for a number. Enter a number. Alright, now what we want to do is we want to listen for the number. Okay, we want to see if character just wrote anything in the console. Alright, we will just use our num1 variable, and now what we want to do is we want to parse this input. It's very easy. You just simply need to write the type of the variable right here. We've got, that's the assignment variable, and this is the structure of the variable, because as you can see there's a structure. Alright, now what we want to do is we want to add a dot, and now what we want to do is we want to parse it, so we will use parse. Within those parentheses we want to listen for the input. For this we will just type in console dot read line, because we are listening to the input. Okay, that's it. Now the next one, we want to enter another number. We can just copy this. Okay, instead of write line we can just use a single line command like write, and also right here. It would be much easier and aesthetic. Okay, we just need to change this to number 2, num2. And the last one, what we want to do is we want to prompt a user to specify an operator. Okay, console.write, and there we have. We want to prompt the user to enter an operator. Enter an operator, and within those parentheses we just type in you can enter operators plus, minus, multiplication, the asterisk, and division slash. Alright, and now just OP, and we don't need to parse anything, so we can just simply type in console.readLine, and that's it. And if we test the program now, we can enter in some input. Alright. Okay, now what we want to do is test our application. Okay, let's just run the application and it should display enter a number. Okay, let's just make 5. That's the second number, another 5, and let's make asterisk. And now we have missing one part of the calculator. We just want to print out the result. It's very easy to do this. We just need another variable, static double result, and that's it. Now what we want to do is we want to check which operator we just typed in. If OP is equal to plus, that means we added two numbers, result will be num1 plus equals num2. Alright, next one, else if OP is equal to minus, result will be equal to num1 minus equals num2. Okay, next one, else if operator is equal to asterisk, that means multiplication. Okay, result will be equal to num1 multiplied by num2. And the last one, if OP is equal to slash, that means division, it will divide two numbers. Result is equal to num1 divided by num2. Okay. Okay, I just need to get rid of one. And now else, if I just need to get rid of one equal sign because two equals are the condition and one equal is assignment. Okay, if none of conditions are true, we will just simply tell the character he wrote not valid input or incorrect input. You just entered incorrect input. Please close the application. Okay, let's make 3 dots right here. And for a little bit aesthetic, we can make font red colored or yellow colored. Alright, let's do it. Console dot foreground color is equal to console color dot yellow, for example. Alright, next one, we just need to reset the color. Console dot reset. Oops. Console dot reset color parentheses and semicolon. And for each one, we just want to print out result. Console dot write line result. Alright, we can just copy and paste this right here, and right here. Alright, that's it. Now if we run the program, it must run correctly. Alright, let's just wait till it loads. It shouldn't take long. Alright, let's just simply make two numbers, whatever it is, 3, 5, and let's multiply it and we get 15. It's working well. And if we just make right here a mistake, for example 3, 5 and A, it should display you just entered incorrect input, please close the application. Okay, our calculator is doing well. Okay, hope you learned something new, hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, hope you see you in the next video. Bye bye.